Got that here. So I'm going to, you can just basically fill it till it starts going over. But let me move the light down.
So literally about halfway behind the truck. No need to jag it up. Got the transfer case right here. And this is the fill. And then down here is the drain. Make sure you can get the fill plug off first. And you're gonna need an 18 mil wrench. My Craftsman set did not have this. So you're going to need that. You can see this bowl is magnetic, but yeah, we're gonna need to get that fill plug off first, and then we'll drain it. There's the fill. Now get your favorite bucket out. Bucket, put it under. Should be able to unloosen that. Y'all ready? Boom! And there it is. See, this thing looks pretty bad too. Look how bad that looks. It's needed changed for sure. Alright, let me get a paper towel here. And we'll see how bad this thing is. Oh, there is a colossal amount of shavings on this thing. That needed changed bad. See, there we go, wiped it clean, but there was so much shavings on there. Just gotta wipe that thing clean. Some brake clean on there. Clean off that plug. See, there's a lot more. And of course, gonna get that. Get that fill plug as well. Right. Get your clean fill plug. Get your clean fill plugs right here. You're gonna need one of these quart pumps. Looks like this quart pump won't fit on top, but we can still use it. Get your clean plugs right here, and then clean off the drain once it's finished spilling into the bucket. And of course, clean your fill and drain. Now take your drain. Oops. Alright. Take your drain, put that back in. Now it calls for 13 foot-pounds. Just gonna tighten it to what I had it before. Let's crack this open. Let's remember this is Dexron VI. Maybe it will fit, let's see. Nope. Alright, we're gonna have to make the best of that. Now, take your one end, put that in there. You know what? Take this yellow end off. Put it in there. And there it goes. Oh, no, 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 no. All right, got the second bottle going. I'm just gonna fill this until it starts going, overflowing. I literally just have it angled in the bottle. I'm gonna need about a little more than half this one, and then we should be good to go, man. It's a pretty simple process. Got this music playing right here. Best modern artist right now. And there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh no. I just capped it after I let it flow a little bit out. Now we should be able to get this tightened up. All right. Tighten everything up. Clean up around the bolts. A perfect opportunity to clean dirt off from when you go mudding and off-road. And just clean off as much of the case you can get, the fluid, so you can know if it's leaking or not. And well, between oil change and transfer case fluid change, I used about a whole roll of paper towels. Also, a couple pairs of latex gloves. Okay, now after you clean up everything, of course, find a good place to dispose of it legally at some kind of place. You can see 100% oil life. Switch that back off. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna start her up. And we're gonna shift through auto, 4 high and 4 low. I'm gonna hop in here. All right, still got the door off, didn't put that back on yet, so this has nothing to do with the process. Just have that off right now. All right, so I'm gonna shift it into auto. Always that high-pitched noise that only young people can probably hear whenever you switch this for some reason. There's 4 high immediately. And is it gonna do it? Threw it in the neutral, and now we're in 4 low. So I'm gonna put it back in the drive, and then we're gonna go back to 4 high. Sorry, it's kind of dark outside. I'm out of the garage now. Let's go back to 4 high. Let's see if it takes it. I heard it engage under the truck. You had to put it back into neutral. Now let's go back into auto and 2-wheel drive. All right, that should be it. Go back in the drive, pull back.